In this video, we'll walk you through the installation of the L7T digital wheel topper. This will be step by step. By the end, you should feel confident installing, connecting, and securing the topper correctly and safely. Before we begin, let's make sure we have the proper tools. At a minimum, you will need a 7mm nut driver and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. You may also use a clutch drill and a flex bit along with the appropriate adapters to make the installation easier. Let's start by unpacking the topper assembly. Set aside any components that won't be needed immediately. Locate the hardware bag which contains all the fasteners required for this installation. Inside the digital wheel, you will notice several cables. Take a moment to identify each one. The backlight LED, the candle, the USB, the ring LED, your power, and lastly, the display port. We'll go through each of these connections as we move through the installation. The first cable we'll focus on is the backlight LED cable. This cable connects directly to the lighting board for the wheel. With the topper assembly on the ground or in a stable work area, grasp the LED light board. Connect the backlight LED connector to the board. Now let's look at the orientation of the wheel. You'll see 5 openings, 4 circular holes for mounting nuts, 1 square opening for the alignment pin. These ensure the board is mounted correctly. Secure the lighting board to the housing using these locations in the reference image shown. The circles indicate the mounting points. The square indicates the alignment pin. It's recommended to install the topper while the EGM is still on the floor. This can be done while it's on the stand, but you will need the appropriate ladder based on height. For this demonstration, the cabinet will be on the floor. Locate the 6 7mm nuts. Place them somewhere easy to reach once the topper is positioned. With the help of another technician, lift the topper, align the standoffs with the openings on the lower cabinet, carefully place the topper on the top of the cabinet. Once seated, open the top box to access the standoffs. While one person holds the topper in position, the second technician will use a 7mm nut driver, secure the topper to the cabinet as shown. With the wheel secured, we can now route the cabling down into the cabinet. As you do this, make sure wires are not twisted or tangled. Start with the DP cable. Route it down into the cabinet. Secure it using the provided P-clips. Connect the DP cable to V3 on the CPU. Next, locate the topper wire connections inside the cabinet. Here you'll connect the USB, your candle, and power. Connect each of these cables. Before mounting the wheel graphics, take a look at the motor for the Plex. You'll see an indicator mark that helps ensure correct alignment of the Plex graphics. This image highlights exactly where that indicator is located. Once aligned, using your Phillips screwdriver, secure the Plex to the wheel housing. After the Plex is secured, install the center cap onto the graphic Plex as shown. Before installing the cover, there's one final cable we need to connect. That's the ring LED cable. On the back of the ring LED, locate the connection point on the ring and attach the ring LED cable. To install the cover, tilt it slightly to the left, rest it into position, rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. If you ever need to remove the cover, locate the pull cable inside the cabinet, pull down to unlock the ring, then rotate the cover counterclockwise. At this point, the physical installation is complete. The only remaining steps are mounting the cabinet to the stand, installing the required software, and optioning the cabinet per the customer's requirements. I hope this video provided clear and helpful guidance for installing the L7T digital wheel topper. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our product support team. Thank you for learning with us.